Time to think about your prints. Achieving a fine art print that meets the highest standards can feel overwhelming. There's a lot of technical knowledge involved. Implementing color management, processing and editing images for color correction, calibration, and retouching without leaving traces of image manipulation. And finally, choosing the right archival paper and using printing pigment inks for lasting quality. You will also need a high-resolution printer calibrated with a custom profile for every substrate. In short, professional fine art printing requires years of experience, expensive tools, and specialized software. If you have all of these skills and resources at your disposal, that is great. If not, don't let this discourage you from achieving the best results in fine art printing. You don't need to invest in costly equipment and software. You don't have to become a master printer yourself. A certified studio and a professional master printer can help you to transform your artistic vision into the desired printed image. We encourage you to focus on your creativity and come to us to handle the complex technical aspects of high-quality print. Print with us if you want museum quality prints for exhibition and collectors. Also, if you need custom color management for precise color reproduction that matches your artistic proposal. Or if you wish to save time and effort by avoiding complex technical setups and calibrations. Print with us if you want access to a certified studio equipped with all the necessary tools for fine art printing. If you desire access to an expert with high-end calibrated printers and archival materials without purchasing them yourself. If you appreciate personalized customer service that is responsive and knowledgeable. Also, if you seek a team to advise you on the best options to achieve your desired artistic effect. Remember that a quality fine art print allows the viewer to focus on the discourse of the artwork, free from distractions like imperfection in detail or color. If you want peace of mind, knowing your prints are produced by professionals who are as passionate about fine art as you are, print with us. Be sure we will put our passion and commitment to art at your service. In the following video, we will show you how to order a fine art print from our certified fine art printing studio.